Hey, Sona here. You're watching my channel, the place to be to create a life that you love. And today I'm going to talk about what you can do when you are feeling behind in your life. So tell me, are you someone who's feeling behind in your life? Do you see your peer group or people around you doing the exact same thing that you wanted to do? And you can't help but feel empty, feel desperate and hopeless from inside. You wish that you weren't experiencing such feelings, but you just can't stop yourself from being jealous when you see their path. Let me tell you, every single person I know has experienced this, including me myself. For years, the fact that my peer group was way ahead of me dominated my thoughts. I was constantly feeling low and I had that pain because of this. I could feel that pain inside me. But this is something which has to be resolved. If not, these feelings of emptiness, desperateness, hopelessness, jealousy is never going to leave you. These feelings are never going to leave you, no matter how successful you become or how much you achieve in your life. Here are two things that you can do to get over these feelings. But remember that they are not one-time action steps. They are conscious choices that you need to make every single day so that you don't fall back into the same pit again. The first thing is to respect your path. Suppose you are on a road trip and you end up taking a detour. And what happens is that you reach your destination a little later than expected. But while you are on your journey, you end up seeing an amazing shop and pick up something for yourself or for your family. So understand that there is a reason for the delay. You may not have reached on time, but you also got some additional bonuses which you hadn't expected. Trust the timing of your life. Just know that the decisions you made were the best with the possible knowledge and with the possible resources that were available to you. There is always a reason for the delay, and every single experience teaches you something in your life. Today, sit down and think what was the reason for the delay in achieving your goals. And trust me, you will learn something in this. You will understand why this happened in your life. The second thing is to avoid comparison. It's these feelings of comparisons, these feelings of jealousy and envy that we need to be further ahead that actually kill us. And trust me, if you can stop this one habit of comparison, you will be at a far better place. Comparison is actually the thief of joy. It is going to take away all your happiness and it will not rest until it takes away all your self-esteem, leaving you crying at one corner. You may ask me, but Sona, how is it possible? How can I just stop comparing? You need to know what's slowing you down. If you need to focus on your game, if you need to avoid a few people, then do that. If you need to go on a social media detox, then go ahead and do that. Don't go actively searching for people who put you down. Just because of those people, if you notice that your energy is going down, then don't go actively searching for such people. Of course, it requires a certain amount of commitment and discipline from your side. But if you do that, I'm sure that you will be at a far better place. You will be much happier. And you'll have much more time and energy to do the things that you wanted, to create a life that you desired for yourself. I'll tell you what I do when I have such feelings towards another person. So each time I catch myself feeling jealous towards another person, I take a deep breath. I take a pause and ask myself, why is this happening? Why are you having such feelings towards that person? That person has worked hard towards achieving that goal, and hard work always has to be paid. So if he has worked hard, he will definitely achieve the results, and you should honor that fact. You should honor that fact, you should appreciate that fact and bless that person. And that's how I take it in my mind. I try to bless that person. I just thank him or her for who they are and for them to come into my life so that I can learn this, so that I learn to take a pause and I learn to appreciate another person and I learn to bless another person. So the key points in this video have been to respect your path, to trust the timing of your life, and to avoid comparisons and feelings of jealousy and envy towards another person. If you found this video valuable, which I really feel is going to help someone, jealousy and envy are feelings that we are all dealing with. So do share it with someone who needs to see it today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.